Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're still in the gorgeous Albufeira and we're in Old Town. I'm going to take a little wander through and see about one. So it's a very early afternoon or very early, what can I say, evenings. People having like a late lunch, early dinner, an extremely early dinner if they are having dinner. So you've got this lovely little area, you can get your books here. Let's keep going around. So you got the beach. Did a little beach walk about earlier, so if you are following the channel, do check that out if you are interested to see. Got a lovely little volleyball there. And then you've got all these gorgeous little restaurants along the beachfront. Gonna take a little wander around and I'll show you guys the lovely little restaurants that we have. A little bit more of a cloudier day today. We are only here for a couple of days, so we've got some sun, which is the main thing. If you are coming during the summer holidays, so we're currently in summer holidays now, do let me know in the comments below what you're looking forward to. So this is a really nice restaurant. Unfortunately, we don't eat meat anymore, but if you are a meat lover, this one's really nice. Give you guys a little show. And you've got Mr. Ribs there. Lovely big stage there. Not sure what's going on, but they do a lot of like live music and performances and bands and everything. Like I said, we are in peak season, so if you are coming here to watch any music, let me know. Then we can figure out who's here. Got your little corner shops and everything here. Show you guys, and then we'll just go up round here. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, this is our favourite restaurant. We love coming here. It is closed today, but yeah, it is one of our favourite restaurants to come to. We've got a Mexican here. Have a little wander up. Little souvenir shops. Little bars and restaurants. There we go, happy hour. And that's at this one here, flavours. So we just went to Affinity. Really nice rooftop up the top there. Gentlemen only club. Let you guys figure out what that one's about. Another little Mexican bar. Goes all the way round. Go up here. There, little ice cream. Goes up, you've got a little roof terrace up there. I love this. Such a pretty little area. Put your little change and stuff in there. Nice little restaurant. Yeah, it's a really pretty little area. We have stayed out this area before. Really nice. I'm a huge fan of Old Town. It's very nice. Let's show you guys the view. There we go. At the beach. Get our leg day in going up here. Lovely views. So we were just down there. Whew. Those pretty little streets up there. See, the beach goes all the way around. I said it is cloudy, but it's still warm. That deceptive weather. I think because of clouds you're going to be alright, but nope. Oh. Hello. Nice little roads going up there. Just come round to this bit. Lovely beach. Let's give you guys a little bit of a inkling to where we are. We are out there. There we go. Head down here. Try to show you as much as Albufeira as we can in the short space of time that we're here. So your Hotel Solmare. So this would obviously be a market store, it's not open today. We're going to head down. I'll just show you guys what's further up there. So we'd like be like a market stall and everything, and then like towards the beach. Then we're going to head down. The clock tower. The little roads going up. And we're heading down here. And I'll show you guys the tunnel that you'll take if you go into the beach. So you may have been here before, you might recognise it, you might not. There's lots of different ways of getting to that beach area. Thought I'd take you the long way round. Nice restaurants. There's always someone playing music in the tunnel as well. And usually a really beautiful breeze, so if you are feeling it like I am now, it's a nice way to cool you down. So you've got buffet, all you can eat here. Chinese. And then this is the tunnel going towards the beach, which I just showed you from up there. There you go. Getting a little bit of reading on it. Sanctuary coming through here. You've got a lovely vacuum of cool air our favourites. Just this one here. Really nice, and you've got the chairs going all the way around. Obviously you've got the beach, and then there's this one here, the tunnel, obviously, because you've got the tunnel there. Another nice one. And then we came from up that way. So yeah, really, really nice.